Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to display your bookmarks in the Page Sidebar extension in Google Chrome. If you love keeping your bookmarks handy, this is definitely for you. Let's dive in. First, what is the Page Sidebar browser extension? It's a side panel that lets you browse any website, like Google, YouTube, news sites, and more, while keeping your other tabs visible. To get started, right-click on the Page Sidebar icon and choose Options. This will open the Page Sidebar Options page. Next, click on the Advanced Options tab and scroll down until you see the section called Quick Bookmarks. To display your web browser bookmarks, click the radio button that says Show Your Browser Bookmarks. Make sure you also click the Allow Bookmarks button. A dialog will pop up. Just click Allow. Now, when you click the bookmarks icon in the side panel, you'll see your browser bookmarks. For me, that includes sites like BBC News, CNN, NBC, Google, and MSN. Click on any bookmark, and the website will open directly in the sidebar. For example, clicking BBC opens the BBC website right in the panel, and the same goes for CNN or any other bookmark you select. You can also create a set of up to 10 custom bookmarks. Just enable the radio button that says Show the button to open your selected bookmark in the sidebar. These will appear as a vertical list in your bookmark panel, giving you quick access to your favorite sites. And that's it. Now you can easily access all your bookmarks right from the Page Sidebar in Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.